Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am at Emerald Palms, Goa, which is a Club Mahindra property in south of Goa. Let's take a tour inside the property and see what you get, if you are visiting this property for staying or if you plan to visit their restaurant. Let's take a look inside. So guys, that's the entrance to Emerald Palms, the lobby area and, the welcome reception and all that. And as you can see, there's I would say quite a bit parking, not very huge, but still they can accommodate about, I would say 50 to 60 cars over here. I haven't seen too much of a rush in the sense, with respect to car parking or any troubles that I faced. ऐसा कोई problem नहीं है. So if you are driving in, if you are coming by your own vehicle, parking is certainly not a issue, not a concern. And as I was just walking through this road over here, you would have seen lots of cars being parked. So that's one concern when you are driving in. You would want to know how are the parking arrangements as far as you go to any particular resort. Let's take a look inside. Okay, so that's the that's the lobby that I'm about to enter from here. You will see the check-in teams doing their job. It's a very nice welcome area over here at Emerald Palms. You can hear the music in the background. That's the live music happening, from the Club Mahindra team, and that's the check-in, check-out desk. All the precautions, for COVID being measured. Whether it's the payments or any other queries. Let me just show you what this guy is singing over here, and in order to welcome its guests. That was the Christmas decoration. There was a big party last night over here for Christmas Eve. But let me show you what this guy is presenting to us. And that's a lovely song. Yeah, so continuing the the Christmas celebrations or the decorations, in order to upkeep the spirits, I would say towards the end of an otherwise dull year because of COVID. That's the lobby, the waiting lobby area. If in case once you check in, you come in after a long drive, you want to take a rest, or if you want to relax, those kind of things. Meanwhile, the room gets readied. Let me just take you to to the restaurant and the buffet area. Okay, so that's the the buffet area I am in. These are a few tables lined up outside the restaurant, but just in case you don't want to have your meals confined inside a hall. And the beautiful view that it presents over here, if you are with your family, with your loved ones, of course, I'm pretty sure you are going to enjoy the view while having your meals, your dinner, or your lunch and breakfast. And that's the buffet area I'm about to enter from here. Okay, all right, so this is the buffet area. As you can see, I would say pretty decent audience can sit over here with respect to the number of folks. Right now it's about 11:15, and that's the reason you see it's all empty. It's not so dull, of course. There have been lots of guests coming in over here for their meals. So of course breakfast time is over, and I've intentionally come at a time when it's not so number of folks being present over here. Let me just show you how big or how the basically buffet area, in the sense from food perspective, it looks like. It's not a very big, place, or I would say, very wide buffet coverage that is being done over here. It could be because of the space constraint, but yes, when you compare it with, other, let's say, resorts within Club Mahindra, let's say Virajpet or Munnar, or even for that matter, even, Club Mahindra Varka, right? So the buffet area is a little bit, I would say, small. Though you won't be disappointed with the food if you are interested in the buffet. As you can see, because of the breakfast time is over, and that's how you see, all the items are not there over here. But I just wanted to showcase through this video how the buffet place looks like in terms of the scale or size and the related things. Okay, and right next to the buffet restaurant, there's this place wherein guests and maybe their kids, they can have certain games, the indoor games, all the arrangements that are being done over here. People sitting and of course enjoying with their families. That's the game area, the gaming area, and of course you would see all the precautions with respect to COVID being taken. So no no concerns over that. Everywhere you will see these I would say no touch sanitizing machines. You don't have to touch them. They are purely based on the hand sensations. Alright guys, so as I move inside the property, of course, I would, I get to see the information around different restaurants that are being available in the property. If in case I'm not interested in the buffet, I can of course, go ahead with the a la carte restaurants available, whether there's a barbecue or maybe any other cuisine that I would be interested in if I'm more interested in the seafood, and of course, the other aspects. So all in all arrangements are being done, whether a buffet or the a la carte, and especially the the Goan specialities. That's the swimming pool. Unfortunately, as you can see, the pool is closed because of COVID restrictions. But yeah, people are having good time. They are relaxing. They are enjoying, and that's one of the restaurants that I was talking about, right? The barbecue restaurant, and right in front of me there's a bar as well, which is not functioning right now. It will be operational of course after 12. And I am moving further into the property, and that's where the rooms basically start coming in, depending on where your room is allotted or where you have booked. There are different blocks. I would say it's a beautiful property, from deep within. As you can see, little bit old. The property is a little bit old, but yeah, I mean, overall the upkeep has been, I would say good. Not great, but yeah, good. The greenery has been well maintained. And considering COVID restrictions, some of the, I would say, outdoor activities or any other such, recreational activities have been restricted. Of course, considering the COVID impact. Let's move ahead. Okay, so that's one of the blocks, that I am about to enter, and you see these fountains and the different sculptures that has been maintained. That adds to the beauty. There's not too much of a green, area that you would expect, let's say, from some of the bigger resorts, but it's something like this. And once I show you my room, of course, that has got a private lawn attached to it, which I would want to showcase through this video. So maybe whenever you are checking in, maybe you can of course request for that. It's beautiful, isn't it? So have a look at that, and the kind of the ambience or the greenery or the trees that basically gel with the overall property. It has got of course Portuguese influence, considering the Goan history, and as I mentioned, the building is a little bit old, but overall maintenance, overall upkeep has been super. I'm moving further ahead. And that's another block that I've kind of entered in, and again some of the other decorations and fountains that are adding to the beauty. And that's the lawn that I was talking about. My room is right here. I think we have the housekeeping guys inside, so maybe I'll enter my room in a while and I'll kind of showcase not only the room, but that's where I have access to this lawn. This is the private lawn that has been attached to this particular room. There are few rooms like that. There are certain other recreational facilities available for the kids, for families. Just take a look at that. It's beautiful, even if you do not step out because of COVID, you want to stay inside the resort, I'm pretty sure you can do it. Varka property is of course great in its own terms, but that doesn't mean in any way that Emerald Palms property is not good at all. Last year I was in Goa and I stayed at Acacia Palms. If you haven't checked my video, or if you wanted to know the information about Acacia Palms, I've given the link above. Please take a look at that while you're watching this video as well. Alright guys, so I'm about to enter my room now, and this is a 1-bedroom apartment. As you can see, this is the living room. It's a very spacious hall. If you recollect my video from Virajpet, I would say this room is even bigger than that. If you haven't checked the video, the link is given. Please feel free to check that. I'm just stepping back so that you can see how big the living room is actually. That's the double bed, and of course all the arrangements. So if you are traveling with your complete family, if you are living in a joint family setup, or you are traveling with your parents or your extended families or friends, of course you can travel with them. The rooms are very, very spacious over here, and that's the bedroom inside. I'll go there in a while, but let me just show you how spacious all these arrangements have been done for your daily needs, and of course for your luggage. So if you are traveling with a large family and you've got huge suitcases and huge luggage, and of course you don't need to worry about the space, whether it is constrained or not. And behind the curtains is of course the other door that opens up to the private lawn, which I'll show you in just a few minutes. Okay, so I'm about to enter the bedroom. Once again, of course, that's a king size bed. It's a spacious room. If you plan to work a little bit, as is the new trend, the work from home or work anywhere, I would say, that's the table, the arrangements being done, and all the other facilities that you should receive in any hotel facilities. Let me take you to the additional luggage room over here, right? I was talking about if you are traveling with some of the bigger baggages or luggages with you, you can kind of put all your bags over here, as we have done, and without cluttering the room, without basically wondering where to keep all your luggage. Let me take you to the bathroom. And another interesting piece is that in this one bedroom, we've got 2 bathrooms, not 1 bathroom but 2. Normally if you go to any 1BR apartment in a Club Mahindra property, you receive 1 bathroom. So it's spacious and of course neat and clean. Similarly, if I take you to the guest bathroom, let me just show you. Yeah, so this bathroom is a little bit small, compared to the one which was attached to the bedroom. But yes, of course, it works, and it serves the whole purpose. If you're traveling with your extended family, with your, if you've got 2 kids, or if you're traveling with your parents. Now let me take you to the lawn that is basically the door that opens up to the private lawn, which is a private lawn for this particular room. Okay, so let's move ahead to see what's what the view looks like from this room. So that was the door which I was talking about some time back. That's the lawn. Not all the rooms has this kind of opening from the backyard, and that's my family over here.
Hi.
Hello. All right, so that's the lawn which I was talking about. I mean, it really presents a very serene and a very calm view. In the sense that you can relax, you can have your morning tea over here, or maybe you can see how well maintained it is. As I mentioned, you don't get these kind of extended lawn on all the rooms, right? So maybe once if you are planning to book a room, maybe you can check, you can inquire, and then you can decide how you want to book the rooms. But I wanted to, of course, showcase, because this was one of the most beautiful part of my stay over here. As you can see, some of the kids, of course, they are certainly enjoying the sun and, of course, the beauty of this property. So guys, thanks a lot for being with me and watching this video with me and supporting my channel. I hope you like this video. Keep supporting me. If you like it, share with your family, share with your friends. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment and ask me. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.